Hey everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today we're going to give you a road noise sample with the 2023 Acura MDX. So we're going to start off on some smooth pavement, get on some rough pavement, and then we'll end up on some smooth pavement. Let you just listen. So what I've noticed here, we've given you a sample on some rough pavement that's definitely washboarded out. Not the most quiet driving experience there. Now we're on some smooth pavement, on some asphalt. You get a little bit of road noise, but the thing I've definitely noticed that there is not much wind noise. That really makes a difference. And of course, here as I'm driving down the road, I'm not talking to anybody. The air conditioner fan speed is turned down to low, and the radio is not on. So that should give you a pretty good idea of what we have here with this MDX. I think it's pretty impressive. Tell me what you think down in the comments if this is a model you plan to buy. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.